shakes you to your core and it chills your soul.